Hello my diamonds and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kristen and I'd love to have you a part of the Diamond Squad, so make sure you hit that red subscribe button right down below. Today's video is going to be a quarantine haul. I have been spending too much money during quarantine trying to feel alive. So we are going to get down to business and talk about some quarantine things that I've been buying. Well, not quarantine, but things I've bought during quarantine. I know it's been pretty tough on everybody this quarantine. I just wanted to say that I'm praying for everybody. I hope everybody is staying safe and healthy and happy as much as they can be. I know this is a weird time, but just remember we're all going through it and I'm here with you. If you need to reach out to me, I'm usually always on like my social media and stuff. I have Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, TikTok, YouTube here. So yeah, if you need to get a hold of me or want to chat and just need a friend, I'm always here. So make sure you hit me up there. All my social media will be linked down below, but definitely feel free to reach out if you need somebody to talk to. And hopefully a couple of these things will give you some ideas and kind of feed your creativity. First thing to go along with that is I bought a new journal. Okay, one thing about me is I buy too many planners and too many journals for the average person, so I'm pretty much an expert now on journals. But this is a super cute black foiled journal. It has like the little, I think it's called Hamsa hand, which is supposed to bring very like loving, positive energy. So I thought this was really cute. I've been very into, you know, feeding my soul, giving myself a good mindset, and just like, you know, being better to my body, to my mind, to my soul, making sure I'm feeding it good things. So I've been trying to do things like journaling. I've been reading this book, and in that book we need a journal, so it kind of helps us self-development. Definitely recommend self-development books. If you want a video on that, I can do that too. I have a lot of self-development books, so leave me a comment down below if you want a video on my book collection. But this journal, any journal you have, or you can go out and buy or order one. This one was super inexpensive. I get a lot of my journals from like Target or TJ Maxx. This one was like maybe $5 to $7, so not too bad, and definitely not gonna break the bank or anything like that, but it is really nice to have. Next thing that I have been into is like a lot of self-care. Been doing a lot of skincare, been doing a lot of working out, on and off, because quarantine does make me lazy. But I've been really like focusing on the products I've been buying and making sure they are good for my body. So a lot of the products I've been buying and switching to have been vegan, cruelty free, no like sulfates or parabens, all that bad stuff that you don't really need in a product. So one thing I did was I switched over my deodorant to a natural deodorant. This is an aluminum free deodorant. It is from Each and Every, and it's in the scent Rose and Vanilla. But this is a really good deodorant. It's cruelty free, it's vegan, no aluminum, parabens, synthetic fragrance, baking soda, no gluten. It is just a very natural deodorant. Every other deodorant I ever tried had always like broke me out in a weird like thing. So I never really liked wearing deodorant, so I would always go like a natural route. I tried every deodorant under the sun, men's, women's, all of them. Natural, like, you know, like Dove Natural Care or something like that, like something that claims to be natural, but it just simply isn't. This did not break me out. This does wonders. It's so nice. You kind of have to like keep up with it though, if that makes sense. It's a little bit more work than just normal deodorant. You just slap it on and then you go. This is oil based, so you have to be a little bit careful. I put on a little bit in the morning, and then throughout the day I'll kind of have to like reapply or kind of like pat myself down or whatever. So just like keep that in mind. It's a little bit higher maintenance. This smells so good. I'm obsessed with anything that smells like roses, but I definitely recommend getting a natural deodorant or going more natural as far as like what you put on your skin. But yes, this has been a game changer. Next, since I have been treating my skin way better, I also changed over to this as far as like a very good like treatment for my hands and my feet and my elbows, places that get really dry on the body. This is what I've been using instead of like a lotion that has a lot of stuff that you don't really know that's in it. So I've been switching over to this, especially for like, and this can be used for anything. This can be used for dry spots. It can be used as a hair treatment. It can be used as eyelash like serum kind of thing. So it can be used for a lot of different things. It can be used for a makeup remover, like just has a lot of benefits to it. This is the Kopari coconut melt, and this is vegan, paraben free, and cruelty free. So again, I'm going very vegan with my products. I want to be very natural and feed my skin and body good things. So this is a really cool product as well. You can use it for like anything really. The next items are these. I have the full collection. I will pop on the screen a little video of the full collection I have because I'm so obsessed with this collection. It's by Pacifica, and it's the Lavender Moon collection. It's like a relaxing kind of like nighttime zen moment, you know what I mean? This is a body lotion, and then this is a body and pillow mist. I'm obsessed with this. If you get anything from the collection, definitely get this. This is so nice. So I spray it like all over me in my pajamas, and then I'll spray it all over my pillow in my bed, and then I'll go to sleep, and it smells so good. It just like makes my brain think like, hey, it's time to wind down, it's time to go to sleep, get a good like 8 hours of sleep, maybe more. But this is just so good. It just smells delicious. It's lavender and rose, which again, rose I love lavender too, but this smells so good. I have a body oil, a body scrub, body wash. I have all of these products, so these are so good. I definitely recommend trying these out, and this is 100% vegan and cruelty free as well. Okay, the next items are these two items here. I've been really into trying to keep my hair like super healthy since I can't really go to like a salon or whatever. So I've been using things like this. These things, just the little things make you happy. So this is just a headband. It's a tie-dyed headband, but this I use whenever I'm in the shower and like I don't need to wash my hair like that day. I take a couple days with my natural hair because I don't want to dry it out. If you wash your hair every single day, it is gonna end up getting dried out. So I do take a couple days, and I'll just put this in my hair to protect my hair from getting wet, so like the style that I have it in stays for a couple days. And then whenever I get out of the shower, instead of pulling my hair up into a towel like I usually do, I've been using these. It's a scrunchie, a towel scrunchie, if that makes sense. So it's a scrunchie, but it's made out of a towel material, so that whenever you put your hair up, it ends up drying your hair like a towel would, but it's not as damaging as like wrapping it around like I do, like almost like in a turban. So this has been really cool. So yeah, like it's really cool. You can use it after you work out too and put it up in that, and it'll absorb like the sweat and everything, so your hair stays cleaner longer. Moving on, another thing quarantine has had me buying is things like that I usually would go to a salon to do, I do at home now. So I've been doing my nails at home. This is the nail kit that I got. So this is the Jelly Tips Soak Off Starter Kit. This is by Sierra Sky. I got it off of like their Instagram. But pretty much what it is a gel kit that helps you do like press-on nails, but that lasts like a lot longer because you use the jelly nail polish to cure it onto your actual nail. Does that make sense? I don't know if that does, but that's pretty much what it does. It's like a hardcore press-on nail kind of kit. I did my nails before. I'll insert a couple pictures of my nails that I've already done. The next item I am absolutely loving is my at-home facial steamer. This is from Vanity Planet. I have all like my skincare products are from Vanity Planet. I love Vanity Planet. So this is a facial steamer. Up here is where the steam comes out. You just fill it with water, and then the steam will come out, and you steam your face and give yourself an at-home facial. It feels fantastic. So good, especially if you're like out at like the grocery store or whatever and you have to wear a mask like all day long and you're sweating. I just feel like I've been breaking out where my mask is at. So I've been really washing my face really good, exfoliating, and then I'll go in with my facial steamer and it will just like open up my pores. So whatever serums I put in my skin and put on my face will just sink in so much better, so seamlessly. It is so nice. And again, you're zenning out, you're feeding your soul, you're feeding your positive vibes, you're just like chilling out, you know what I mean? It's good for you. Like, have fun, treat yourself. Next item is this item right here. This is also from Vanity Planet as well. This is a facial cleansing system. So it's just pretty much cleansing brushes that rotate on your skin. So yeah, I had a Clarisonic before and it broke on me pretty fast, which I was kind of upset about because Clarisonics are a little bit on the expensive side, but this is really good. It comes with 3 different brush heads and your handle and everything like that, and a case to put it in. So I have been loving it. Again, everything is from Vanity Planet. I love Vanity Planet so much. But this really helps exfoliate and stuff on your skin. I've always used a brush. I've always liked having a like brush set. I had one from Vanity Planet before, but it was just getting a little beat up. I used it a lot, so I needed to pick up a new one, and since I already ordered the facial steamer, I was like, I'm just gonna throw in a new brush set. So definitely recommend a brush set like this. Next item is kind of on the larger side. Okay, this is my skincare fridge. I love her. I'm living for her. This is by Flawless. I got it on Ulta. This is my skincare fridge. I keep all of my serums, different things, face masks. Like I have a jade roller and a rose quartz roller that I keep in here. So I keep those things in here so it keeps the products fresher for longer. It helps with the longevity of the product, the performance of the product, and it helps keep the products inside very sanitary, especially if it's something you have to like scoop out. It will help with that, being it safe for germs and stuff like that. So I love this. I love her. But I just really love my skincare fridge. I am obsessed with skincare. At this point, probably a little bit more than makeup. I never thought I would say that because I love makeup. But I love skincare. I love taking care of my skin. Just learning different techniques and what works for me, what doesn't. Skincare fridge is definitely a plus. So my last 2 items are these 2 items here. I do go out every once in a while with my mom and everybody and my grandma and my sister, and we go find some good deals. We just recently went to Dillard's and I picked up this baby right here. She's cute or whatever, but she is so cute. I love this little side pocket thing. This is a Guess purse. It is so cute. It reminds me of like the 90s or whatever, like super cute, like Paris Hilton vibes. Do you know what I mean? I just love her so much. But this is like the purse I'm currently wearing. She's a vibe, you know what I mean? I love her. Then this one I got is also like kind of Paris Hilton vibes with a big old puffer ball, but I love her too. We're like on a white moment right now. So she's very chic, very classy. Her name is Glenda. But I love her. She's like so cute. And then she has like a zipper, but she has a lot of pocket space, which I love. But she has like different compartments and stuff. She's cute. She's thick or whatever. But I love her. So cute. If you're interested in a part 2 to this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below so I know to make a part 2 and you guys would enjoy that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you want to join the Diamond Squad, all you have to do is hit that red subscribe button right down below. It's free and it helps me out. Don't forget to hit the bell icon as well so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!